Good morning to all. How are you? Hope you all are safe and sound. Children, have you understood the yesterday's topic? I hope you have understood the first component of food, that is vegetable. If you have not understood the topic, I will give you all a brief explanation on this topic. As you know, vegetables are important for all and we should eat lots of vegetables. The people who eat food that we get from plants are vegetarians, and those people who eat food that we get from animals, excluding milk products, are non vegetarians. We all should eat green leafy vegetables as they provide important nutrients such as iron. As you all know, children should get special attention as they are in their growing age, and in this age, children should eat lots of vegetables. So, this was the first component of food. Now, in today's lecture, we will discuss the second component, that is fruits. Children, do you know what are fruits? How do they help us? How are fruits important for us? In simple words, fruits are flower that are eaten by both human and animals as food. As you all know, that fruits are also important for human as vegetables are. They both play key role in making human body fit and fine. Fruits plays an important role in a healthy diet. Both fruits and vegetables are included in balanced diet. Balanced diet includes a healthy diet and all the food that have nutrition and all the important nutrients that are important for human body. Fruits are nutritious for health. We should eat lots of fruits. Fruits are very much important as various fruits provide various nutrients to the body. Children, do you know which fruit is the king of fruits? If you know, then it is very good. But many of you don't know. It's okay. I will tell you. Mango. Mango is known as the king of fruits. Mango is very good for body. Many fruits such lemon, orange are citrus fruits as they are rich in vitamin C. So, like this, all fruits are rich in various nutrients which are essential for the body and to remain healthy and stay fit and fine. One should eat lots of fruits, and most importantly, children should eat lots of fruits so that they can get each and every nutrients to remain healthy. As you know, children are in their growing age, and in this growing age they should be given a little more attention. So, this was the detailed explanation of the second component of food. We have studied the two components of food. So far, and from this discussion, you can understand one thing, that both the components of food, namely fruits and vegetables, are important in our life. As much as vegetables are important, fruits are important as well, and both are side by side important for our body, and we should eat fresh and clean fruits. Hygiene is important while eating fruits and vegetables. We should not eat dirty fruits. We should wash them before eating. So that's it for today. We have discussed the two components, that is fruits and vegetables. So the second part of the revision is over. We will discuss the last component, that is food grain, in next class. You should read the chapter once. Parents, please help out your child. Thank you.